Fruits are a great way to start the day, and when we get seasonal fruits is the best time to make use of all the fruits that are available in the market. And if you feel bored of eating only a single fruit, you can try a combination of fruits, and instead of making it as a fruit salad or adding custard or other sweet ingredients, we will see how to make a simple fruit stick. We could use a skewer like this or a small toothpick like this, and here we have a variety of 4 fruits. There are some strawberries which are sliced a little thick, then there is banana which is also sliced thick because these are soft fruits and it may tend to fall off from the stick. These are diced watermelon, which is really good for health, and it's not too sweet. And this is apple, which is also cut a little thick so that it will be able to balance and we can put it in on these sticks. So based upon your choice, you can arrange it any which way. So we'll start with the strawberry, or you can alternate the colors. There are other fruits also that can be included, maybe like pears, green apple, kiwi fruit if you wish, but some of those fruits are very soft. They have a lot of juice in it and sometimes may not be very suitable for this kind of an arrangement. They can be eaten by itself. So we can alternate it as you wish. The watermelon, cubed watermelon, will have some amount of seed, so you need to take care of it when you have it. You can even make a similar vegetable fruit stick based upon your choice of fruits. So this is your fruit stick. It's a great way to snack, and it's a very nice way to have a variety of fruits all together. You can balance it out by the fruits of your choice. We can make another one with a smaller toothpick. This is a good snacking idea, and it is a nice way of introducing fruits to children who may be a little fussy about consuming it. So that's your mini stick. One more thing we should keep in mind is we should not cut all these fruits too much in advance, because some fruits, especially like apple, will tend to get brown due to oxidation, and that is exposure to air outside. So you might prefer to cut these fruits just before you're going to prepare this fruit salad or a fruit stick like this. And if you want to preserve cut apples, you might as well squeeze some fresh lemon juice and store it in the refrigerator so that it will not get brown too soon. And you can also use it later and consume it in salad or have it any which way you like.